that drip wey no reach 200 naira, now they'll say if the patient not pay 5,000 naira for deposit, they no go touch that patient. Really? Really? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Friday Charity TV. I greet you all with your time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so whenever I upload videos, you will be notified if you are subscribed already. God bless you. Now people, another story don't come again. Una know say anything just the waka fifi. I will cause this sit down, can't shook my mouth put. Now people, the story will come today now. One of our brother, now he just cry out with a bitter heart. No be say he need advice, so he just say me and still talk this thing because waiting he experience the thing still dey pain nothing today. He say me and talk and whether many of our Nigeria people will change for that our country called Nigeria, make they still change for that their behavior. He say he travel, as he dey come back for travel, he come meet accident scene. Say one boy, now the boy injure pass now Okada. The Okada man not too injure like that. The other boy where the Okada man carry now injure where the boy just almost lifeless for ground. You see people just they pass the boy, they say, hey, Jesus, Holy Ghost, hey, now wow, who can be this boy? All those kind of things where people they talk now, really? He said that he go quickly call stop motor, carry the boy. He said when they carry the boy, they enter motor. People they tell and say, you know the boy, what of if something can't happen to the boy? What of if police can't hold you? He say he no even mind them, but that is the vessel for his mind. Now make him say, make me talk this thing come aside. We see all those Nigeria people they do no good. I wanna go see person almost lifeless for ground. First thing one are supposed to do now to call motor, stop motor, carry that victim, enter motor, go treat her. No, our people not be like that. Oh. They go they fear police. They go they fear if something happened to the person. They go they fear who want pay bills, who want do this one. All the one to you they shout Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Really, really. Hey, who could be this boy? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Now Nigeria people always they shout for accident scene. It no good. That time when I think they shout Jesus, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Who know this boy? Who do this one? If you not rush and go hospital, you don't save life be that. You don't save life be that because this boy cry out with a bitter heart because the time when you take carry this young woman where be the victim reach hospital, the man can't give up the ghost. The man can't lost his life. Doctors say, I wish he come early, therefore quick do something. As they hear they reach hospital, the man lose his life. This boy is so pained inside him right now. The way they talk to me, I can't even they calm at that. Even me myself, I want to cry as they tell me. As he drop that call, I cry. I cry for that our country, Nigeria. I cry for that boy. We just lost his life because of careless citizens. Because of careless citizens, this boy, you don't know this boy when he rescue one day. You don't know one day. He said before the boy just died, before the boy died, the boy hold his hand, say, brother. He said now be last strength where the boy used. He said, brother, give me your hand. He said now he gave her a hand. He said the boy tell her, say, thank you for saving me. Although say he no go, he no say no go survive, and he just tell and say thank you for saving me. He says that in torture, that in torture. Oh my God, this is a very sad story. This is a very sad story. Our country people, my country people, I beg if una see any accidents, first thing make una dey save lives. Make una dey save that person. Time when una think they say Jesus, when una think they shout, they walk up and down, they say, how it happen, how it not happen. Una got the video, the camera. That time don't reach you carry that person go hospital. No, una go dey fear. I no still to blame them o. I no still to blame them because that our country corrupt, especially those police people. No be their fault because many cases wey be say person don help person na police go come later arrest the person say na him do the thing, whereas e no know one, e no know two for the matter. And most of the cases say hospital, I feel say doctor are to their duty as a doctor is to save life. But no, our Nigerian hospital, even though they say the person they die, they no go even touch that person. They go say pay deposit. Pay deposit. Why you go be doctor? Eh? Una dey happy if person die for una hospital. I just say duty of a doctor now to save life, but many doctors now they take life pass because of small money wey no reach anything. And all those drip when they take the counter, where they count those drip, where they carry the carton, some drip no they reach 200 naira. Yes, I've been there before. Some drip no they reach 200 naira. They will come because of that drip wey no reach 200 naira. Now they will say if the patient not pay 5,000 naira for deposit, they no go touch that patient. Really? Really? How much una take they count syringe? How much una take they count needle? See, needle where you go take fix person drip with drip wey no reach anything, where you will just stay save that life. No. You not go want save life. You go dey find deposit. The ones wey get deposit to give, fine. The ones wey no still get, treat am first. First save that life before you dey ask of money. Before you dey ask of money. That is why I don't like this Europe. I see they talk. I too like them. Their way is very different from our way. If to say Nigerian people go fit just adjust small, come this Europe's just adjust as this Europe system, it was still good. It was still good small. Ambulance go come house for here, come carry you go hospital. They go treat you, do you anything they go give you anything they want give you, treat you. But no, Nigerian hospital. Once you just land for Nigeria hospital, they'll say you get card. Person they die, they go. Now they ask people where carry and come. This person get card. This person don't pay deposit. Who go pay the deposit? Now make many people know they like carry a certain victim to hospital because all those kind of questions, all those kind of money matter. They know why you're here. First save that person life. Later the person once don't get his strength or she don't get her strength, she don't well, she go call her family people. If family people go come, they go pay you your bills. But no, because of small deposit, because of small money, you go just let person go like that. You go let person go like that. And Nigerian police are big. People now they investigate cases before una they arrest people. Make una they investigate cases before now they arrest people. I blame those people for one side when no we save that boy. I no still blame them for one side because I could go reason around. If to say hospitals for Nigeria, no fair they ask for deposit, no fair they ask for this one, no fair they ask for that one. I sure say many people where they dancing that day for quick rush that boy go hospital. Or if to say police no they accuse person wrongly, many for still rush that boy go hospital. But this boy now, he damn the consequences. This is a good citizen. He damn any consequences where he want come for that case. He just dey come. He just dey travel, they come. Now he just see that scene, now he just come down. He quickly go rush that boy, go hospital. You know, even as people they tell and say, hey, bros, you know before, what if police come? Who want pay hospital bill? Who want do this one? Who want do that one? The boy no even mind, they no even answer them. Just rush this boy wey dey lifeless go hospital. Now God will continue to bless that brother wey help this boy, although the boy still later go. The boy still later go. That boy dey feel pain right now. Not be saying you know this guy wey die before. He no know am before, but wetin happen for that scene na dey try to talk. My people, if una experience any accident scene like that, first thing first, una first dey save life. Una first dey carry people go hospital first. Una first try. Some doctors still dey, but me I never see all some still dey wey be say they go still treat the person first without deposit. Some doctors still dey like that. So abeg, una still dey try, just carry that person reach. Me you know say you don't do your own comot for inside. Me you know say you don't do God own comot for inside. Adebi dey quickly carry that boy go hospital. Na young boy. Adebi dey quickly carry am go hospital. If you no die, una stop to dey say, hey oh, hey yeah, how it take happen, how it not take happen. Una call the video, una call the snap. This thing you happen for this so junction this morning. This thing that time we take the video, we take the camera. It go reach you to stop car where they pass. Make they help you carry that person go hospital. It go reach you. If you even many guys that carry that person go hospital, say if they even ask of a deposit, before this one pay 500, before that one pay 500, before this one pay 500, as you not take many go, before una pay 500 or 200 steps, anyone na girl now give the doctors a fair take the treat and fair. We don't know this person before. We just see the scene, then we carry and come here. The doctor will still understand. Una fit dey do now for inside, for now they wait for security or doctor or police or enemy or this one, because you don't know. We are all one. We are all one Nigeria. Not to say because you don't know this person before. All of us now one. So una stop to dey take all those pictures, videos, time on until they take am, mona use and carry that victim go hospital. Now be waiting I come for today. Mona stop to dey say, hey oh, it happen, not it happen. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my Jesus, oh my Jehovah, oh this kind of thing happen. Jesus. They do like this, Jesus. Tell me till they say Jesus. It don't reach you to carry that person go hospital. See you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time. I remain your baby girl Friday Charity. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video. This video needs sharing so that our people will still hear. They will still hear word. Me that they quit they rush people, they go hospital. Do your own comot and leave the rest for God. We know say if you say Jesus, Holy Ghost fire, Jesus go answer you. But do your own as a human. Do your own as a human. Jesus go do your own. Bye bye guys. Stay blessed.